Hello to all. Thank you so much for all of you to join this very interesting training program on Mastering in Python and Django and API development for ML integration. So in this video, I will just show you the project that what you are going to make in this learning journey. So you will got the point that is it really profitable for you to join this training program or not. So you can decide that whether you have to continue our training program or you have to go with this program or not. So I want to just show you the project directly. So as you can see, I created this web page with the help of Python and Django and some basic front-end technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript, right? So I'm running this project on my local server. As you can see, I'm just running my project on local server. So what I have and what this project can do for me, it can play with my images, right? I integrated image classification thing or just object detection thing and some other different services I integrated here on my back page, right? So behind the scene, they will use ML algorithm, but on front end, they are using a web technology, right? So you can use your ML algorithms, ML applications in your web pages. So what I'm doing here behind the scene, I'm also using AWS services, AWS Cloud to classify my images, to detect the face, detect the person, detect the object in my image, whatever I will choose, or any image I can choose from my web page. So my AWS Cloud or my ML algorithm will give me the answer, give me the response in the form of different data structure or different data structure, right? Okay. So like as you can see, you have to choose your service, what you want to perform. So like I want to just detect the object or facial analysis you want to perform, celebrity detection, object detection with YOLO, or two different type of object detection we will learn in this learning journey. One will be with the help of YOLO and one will be with the help of AWS Cloud, right? So as I'm going to use celebrity detection, right? So I'm just going to choose the service and I'm just going to choose an image file. So as I'm going to choose this one, this image file, as you can see, I have this image, right? And I want to know that is there any celebrity, like the person, the particular lady, is any celebrity or not? If any celebrity, then what is the name of the celebrity? I want to know, I want to ask to my machine. So what I will do, I will send this image to my AWS Cloud. My AWS Cloud will detect, will check that is it any celebrity or not, or is celebrity or not, right? So let's see. I'm just going to click on play button. It will show you that we are processing your image and within a minute you will get your answer. You can see that we can say the particular person, particularly is Sri Divya. So my machine is going to detect the celebrity name. Suppose for same image, I'm expecting to detect facial analysis, or my machine should have to check any facial analysis. So how we can do this? I'm just going to again choosing the service facial analysis and just going to play. So when I click on play, image will be seen, image is not going to change. And now as you can see, you are getting three things. First thing, you're getting age, 21 to 33 something age, you're getting the gender also, female, and you're getting the emotion also, that happy or not, or calm or angry mood and all these things, right? So you will get it. Second thing, suppose I want to use object detection, so I can detect any type of object in our project or from any image. Like suppose I have this image and I will choose this, I'm just going to open it. So I have this image, I have some person's bicycle with the help of wheels and with some other again different objects. I want to detect all the objects. I want to ask to my machine how many objects we have in this particular image. So what we will do, I will just choose the object detection, choose the image and click on play. When you will play, as you can see, my back page is not going to activate or not going to refresh. My API is working behind the scene, and as you can see, all objects are ready for us, right? You can see my machine is going to detect the shoes also, wheels also, like again all the wheels, all the bicycles, all the persons, helmet also. My machine is going to detect with the help of my API, so with the help of my AWS Cloud. So this is the complete project we are going to work. Same thing, same object detection. We can work with YOLO also. So it will be like two different algorithm, two different things we are going to learn. So if I play with this, maybe some object will be same, some object will be different. It's just depend up to your library, up to your concept. We learn and we will discuss about it. But this is your complete project. We are going to learn, or we are going to work in this complete 5D learning journey. So today we are going to learn about the web development concept. So today we will work about web development, and again in next classes we will work on ML applications and other things, right? So thank you so much guys. for watching this video. I hope you like this video and I hope you are planning to continue with this training. Thank you so much again. See you in class. Bye bye. Have a good day.